Hello, hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB. And it's me, Richard, here. Yes, tonight we are starting the grade 8 natural sciences. Yeah, it was a request from you that we should help you lay the foundation for the sciences. And it was a reasonable call. We have to thank you for staying with us. This is PSSB. It's me, Richard, here. We are simply the best. Please stick with us. Okay, the question says that photosynthesis is the process when plants use the radiant energy from the sun to manufacture their own food. Animals do not manufacture their own food. They obtain energy by feeding on other organisms so that they can carry out the 7 life processes. So, yes, let us have a brief discussion about this. Plants are special. Also, we have to know that the biggest source of energy on Earth is sun. That radiant energy we receive from the sun serves as the biggest source of energy. So, but you have to know that plants are the only, plus other few microorganisms, are the only organisms which have the capacity to use that radiant energy and convert it into food. Animals cannot. So, animals survive on manufactured food from the plants. So, if you wake up and there are no plants, definitely there will be no life on Earth. Okay, but you have to know that plants and animals as well, they carry life processes. These are features which show that something is having life. So the question says, name the 7 life processes. Okay, so I normally tell people that when it comes to science, I would advocate for many people, if you can, to adopt mnemonics. Mnemonics help you to organize your head and in such a way that if you have so many articles, you can easily recall them. So here, this is the mnemonics we use. Mrs. Grain. Okay. Yes, each one of the letter represents a life process. Okay. M represents movement. Okay. Then R represents respiration. Then S represents sensitivity. Ability to respond to some stimuli. G represents growth. R represents reproduction. E stands for excretion. Then lastly, it's nutrition. Technically, these are the 7 processes which are carried out by living organisms. Then comes this question. It says, name the major source of energy on planet Earth. Okay. What is it? What is the major source of energy on planet Earth? The answer is sun. Yeah, if you critically analyze, you'll see that everything we have, including the doors in our houses, it is as a result of the sun. How does the wooden door come out of the sun? The sun comes, plants use it to manufacture food, then you get the wood out of the plants. So sun is the major source of light, of energy on Earth. Then comes this question. It says, what name is given to the process where green plants manufacture their own food using energy from sunlight? Okay, what process is that? The process is referred to as photosynthesis. Yeah, then comes this question. It says, explain the importance of green plants to all life forms on Earth. Okay, why are green plants so important? Okay, it comes from the fact that green plants and some few small organisms, which some of them are aquatic, are found in water. They are the only organisms which have the capacity to convert radiant energy from the sun into food. The rest of the organisms lack that ability. I repeat, green plants are the only organisms which have the capability to use this energy from the sun to make food. And that food which is manufactured by green plants is the source of food for all organisms, including those organisms which are not feeding on plants directly. An example, let us look at an example. Plants manufacture their own food. What happens? Antelopes and cows eat it. Okay, what happens next? Then we eat the cows. The lions eat the antelopes. So what do we see? We are seeing a situation where we are all dependent on plants and on sun for survival. Let us put that one down. So that is that. Yeah, then comes this question. It says, what is the name given to the process during which energy is released from the food in the living organisms? Yes, what do you call this process? It is called respiration. And with that, we would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. And it's me, Richard, here. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. We believe we are the best. You will not regret. And don't forget to click that like button and to refer the channel to a friend. Like I always tell people, This is the best gift you can give to a friend. See you next time. Bye bye.